Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix no sound on your TV when using a PS5 and solve common audio issues.
Fix 1. Check HDMI connection. Step 1. Turn off your PS5 and TV. Step 2. Unplug the HDMI cable from both PS5 and TV. Step 3. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly and turn on the devices. Fix 2. Select the correct TV input. Step 1. On your TV remote, press the Input a Source button. Step 2. Select the HDMI port your PS5 is connected to. Fix 3. Set PS5 audio output. Step 1. Go to Settings, Sound Audio Output on your PS5. Step 2. Set output device to HDMI device, TV. Step 3. Set audio format, priority to linear PCM. Fix 4. Check TV audio settings. Step 1. Open your TV menu and go to Sound Audio Settings. Step 2. Make sure TV speakers are selected, not external audio or Bluetooth.